Hello guys, today I've got the MacBook Neo and I'm going to show you how to print the documents. So actually you need to just open your file. It has to be either document X or PDF or just a document you want to print. As you can see here, I've got two of them. It can be either in Safari or in the preview application. If you are in the preview application, hit Command P button combination, and as you can see here, they have printer. We can click that and select our printer, select presets, copies, online pages, or just range or selection preview or selection, paper size, orientation, the auto rotation. We can, as I can see, disable or enable the auto rotation, show notes, scale or scale to fit, layout, and paper handling. And we need to just hit, wait a moment, I need to select my printer. Here we need to just hit print button to print our document. I'm not going to do so because it's my real printer and it works and I don't want to waste paper. So that's how it works. Have a nice day and goodbye.